Once again, full disclosure, this is a private walkthrough showing for one of my clients that's out of town. It's just part of what I do. So if I say something that might be incorrect about the property, it'll be correct by the time we make an offer on it. It's something I do, so let's get started with this. Okay, so this is a street. That street is Sand Hill. It's a little busy during the day, but at night it's dead. It's a corner lot. We're in the neighborhood of kind of Whitney Ranch, and one of the, we drove by this when you were in town. So these are all electrical gates. That is a casita. As a listing agent, she's trying to get into it right now. She said it's a studio casita. I think we might have access to it. It's rented out right now. This home is on septic, city water. Look at my notes. You got your walk-through driveway, and over here you have all the room for whatever you wanted to do. Looks like they had a sand pit for maybe volleyball courts before. There. It's huge. Very unique property. Can we see the casita? All right, we'll go see the casita first since we got this up. This is 5-bedroom, 5-bath, 36 square feet. The home was built in 1985, and the lot is just about over an acre. So we're going to see the casita first. Thank you. And this is just going to be a 1-bedroom. So it's a full casita. Somebody's living in it right now. Sorry for the mess. So you got a 1-bedroom casita here. And I believe it has a shower. I'm not going there too much. Yep, full bathroom. Okay. So 1-bedroom casita, full bathroom, and there's a little washer here. So that's pretty cool. Thank you so much. We're just going to travel around and see what's back here. Small tiles for the house. Storage shed, water softener for the casita. So standalone little unit here. This entrance to the house. Some grass. I'll just take a look back here. I haven't been back here yet. I did walk through the house. Just exit for the casita, right through that bathroom. And here's the back. Fountain, not much back here. We'll walk all the way through. So this home has 2 primary suites. This one right here has a electric dog door, which you'll see when we go through the house. It's when they wear a collar and they come in, and it'll come up for them. So this is the back. I saw that earlier. This had to be a volleyball court. Which I miss volleyball. Can't wait till the weather starts. Well, right now. Go to the park. Get my volleyball game. Alright, now we'll walk through the house. Oh, now we're locked out. Hold on. Thank you. Appreciate it. So this is the courtyard, which is really cool in this house, but we'll go see that after we walk through the home. Comes with plantation shutters, which is nice. Oh, we can actually walk back there. I don't think the Bentley comes with it, but you know, everything's negotiable. It is a nice size 3-car garage. And there's 2 elevators. And then you have a half bath right here for the guests. Right there's the kitchen and living space, but we'll go into the first primary suite. 8-foot ceilings. Looks like they redid the floors in this one recently. Bathroom's pretty done. And you have the toilet right there. As you can tell, someone's still living here. And then a huge walk-in closet. And then you have living area, exposed trusses, which is pretty awesome. Counters looking granite counters. Cabinets look in good condition, but electric. You know, you don't like electric, but we can work on getting gas here. I'll call my construction people and see where the gas line is. It's about $1.07 linear feet to run a gas line. So however far that is. And you have all these awesome French doors that open up to that courtyard, which we'll go out in a minute. And that is a wood burning fireplace. And those trusses are cool. House is in good condition. Then we have bedroom number 2. Decent sized bedroom. High volume carpet in here, it's nice. And then you're gonna have walk-in closet. All the built-ins. You have your laundry room, and you have another water tank right there, so there's 2 of them. Then you have bathroom number 2 or 3. And this is, and you got bedroom number 3, same size as the second one, good size. You're gonna walk-in closet. And then this is the second primary, which is pretty awesome. You have the glass, what do they call that? I forgot what they call that. It'll come to my head in a minute. But that's pretty cool. Picture window, sitting window, reading window. They redid this. This is like a step down. This is some tile flooring, looks like wood. Walk-in closet, good size room, vaulted ceilings, and you got the exposed beams in here too. Here's the bathroom. His and her sinks. And here's the back patio we saw earlier. And there's that dog door, electrical one for the dogs. Stained glass window, that's what it's called. There we go. It's cool. And then now we'll walk out into this courtyard area. Pretty cool courtyard. It's real grass. Probably change that up, put a pool or something in here if you wanted, which would be really cool because all the rooms would open up to the pool. Roof looks good from here. Water feature. Very unique property. And they have a little viewing deck. Might have been built when there was no homes around it. But it's just kind of unique, a chill out area. There's a fan up here. You see the yard right there. See the street. And the plane's flight path is over there, so you could probably, I don't know, sit up here and watch the planes if you wanted. Roof looks like it's in good condition. Yeah, this is it for this house. Very unique house. I think this might be my favorite out of the ones we saw that you looked at that are interested in. So yeah, just let me know. This place is really cool. I would love to come to a barbecue over at your house someday, especially when you put in a pool right there. All right, I'll talk to you soon.